It is 6:44 on your Friday morning, and this weekend you might be heading to a business or organization or a special event that requires a COVID-19 vaccination or negative test.
And with those growing requirements comes demand for results in 72 hours. Our John Rudder joins us now live with more. And John, this is starting to create a flood of tests at local labs.
Yeah, it really is. We spoke with two local labs, both issuing statements about how they're adjusting to the increased demand to get test results on time. But even with this safety measure in place for businesses, schools, and events, there's still some local doctors that have concerns.
In the past 4 months, libraries across Northeast Ohio started handing out free rapid COVID-19 tests from the state.
As much as we can keep COVID cases down, life will just be easier for everyone.
And for months, pharmacies have sold at-home COVID-19 testing kits. Now, due to the demand, places like CVS are actually limiting how many you can buy at a time.
As things quieted down after the vaccines, a lot of the companies started scaling back on producing testing.
But in the month of September alone, they started flying off the shelves by the thousands as more venues and events and even schools started requiring them.
I know that there are some venues within Cleveland that are actually starting to do kind of on-site testing.
Those places included Playhouse Square, Severance Hall, the House of Blues, and the Grog Shop, among others, all who band together in support of the entertainment industry to prevent any future show cancellations.
The more that we keep COVID cases down, the less of a demand there will be for COVID testing. And the easier it'll be for people who want to go to, an event to be able to get tested.
Starting this Monday, October 4th, both artists and fans at all local Live Nation venues will have to be fully vaccinated or show a negative test, increasing the demand at even more local labs.
I would hope that if somebody is, required to have a test to attend something, that, after they've had the test, they would ensure that they're doing the right thing in terms of masking so that, the chances of them staying negative up until that time are important.
Quest Diagnostics sent us a statement with these figures, saying it's performed over 57 million COVID tests since it started services in 2020, and it continues to provide a majority of results within 1 day. We also checked in with LabCorp, which sent us a statement saying, in part, despite declines in testing earlier this year, it did not reduce testing capacity. It can perform 300,000 tests per day with a 1 to 2 day turnaround time. Dr. Hoyen worries getting delayed test results could lead to further spread if a patient turns out to be positive and didn't know it.
People who are not vaccinated are going to be better transmitters than people who are vaccinated. But we do know that even people who are vaccinated can spread.
Now, Dr. Hoyen says that while we are continuing to learn to live with COVID-19, the best thing that you can do to try to keep everyone around you safe is to wear masks, stay away from anyone if you're feeling sick, and ask your doctor about questions about getting vaccinated and get vaccinated if you have not. Reporting in Air Tracker 5, John Rudder, News 5.